In today's video, we'll talk about laws governing mobile patient services, such as IV hydration, vitamins, and concierge medical services like Botox. Hi, I'm Michael H. Cohen, founding attorney of Cohen Healthcare Law Group. We help healthcare industry clients just like you navigate healthcare and FDA legal issues, so you can launch or continue to scale your health and wellness business. Our hypothetical client is a physician assistant who'd like to provide mobile patient services like IV hydration, IV vitamins, and concierge medical spa services like Botox. The PA proposes setting up a PA corporation, but wants to know whether she should instead become a 49% shareholder in a professional medical corporation where the physician controls 51%. She also asked about physician supervision, liability risk, consent forms, telehealth, questions about office policies, confidentiality, privacy and security, and general liability questions. Let's start with some basic legal definitions from the California Business and Professions Code that can apply to this kind of business and to registered nurses and physician assistants. Just to show you some of the complexity, not even getting to the issues of control over the business, there are three different words that sound like they might have similar meaning: administer, furnish, and dispense. First, let's take the word administer. Administer means the direct application of a drug or device to the body of a patient or research subject by injection, inhalation, ingestion, or other means. That's from California Business and Professions Code, section 4016. Then you have furnish. Furnish means to supply by any means, by sale or otherwise. And then there's this word dispense. To dispense is normally furnishing drugs or devices upon a prescription, typically from a physician, dentist, optometrist, podiatrist, veterinarian, naturopathic doctor, sometimes on an order from a certified nurse midwife, nurse practitioner, physician assistant, naturopathic doctor. Also includes furnishing directly to a patient. Then you've got the term dangerous drug, which means any drug unsafe for self-use in humans. Typically mean RX or prescription drugs, and within dangerous drugs you've got controlled substances. Now you have to put this whole combination of legal definitions together and some other statutory restrictions to figure out who actually can issue the prescription to whom, because let's say it's your PA client or maybe your registered nurse. They might be able to administer or to furnish, but they'd have to get the actual prescription from the physician. That's because section 4040 defines prescription in terms of the physician or other designated licensees. Well, only once you get through who can prescribe and who can administer, furnish, or dispense, then you get to issues about the good faith exam, which has recently been loosened and which we discuss in companion videos on telemedicine. You got to meet standard of care. There's informed consent. Get through all this, you get to the question of IV services, and then whether you can provide them through mobile outpatient care. And finally, care at the patient's home. Now, there also might be questions about the IV solution itself and its FDA status, especially if your business model involves compounding drugs and if the healthcare practitioners are to be adding to the solutions on site. This might be tantamount to manufacturing and distributing an unapproved new drug. There are also legal rules governing storage of these products, and there's questions about the physician's role in supervision and documentation. So what we've done very quickly is to give you a little taste of legal issue spotting. This isn't a comprehensive encyclopedic review of all the laws related to your IV hydration mobile business. It's a glimpse. And with a glimpse, you get an early sense of the layers of legal analysis and the depth of the legal waters or regulatory waters your business will have to navigate. Now, if you'd like an early read on your business model, we typically give you a low barrier to entry start with a legal strategy session. So feel free to ask our team about that. If you have questions, click on the link below, cohenhealthcarelaw.com/contact, to send us a message or book an appointment. Here's to the success of your healthcare business, your venture, and we look forward to working with you soon.